Okay. Okay, record, sir.
Okay, we start with HTML. Actually,
Hello?
which company you are going for interview?
Test enter, sir.
Is it based on only HTML or HTML and CSS? The
Both,
interview?
sir. HTML and CSS. And JavaScript also.
Okay, okay, then. Okay, I'm explaining HTML. It will take nearly 40 minutes. I will start with.
Okay, sir.
I will start from basics to what the interviewer asked, like questions. I will ask, and I will explain all those questions. In this session, I am explaining only HTML questions. Afterwards, if time permits, we will explain CSS. Okay. I'm sharing my screen.
Okay, sir.
Do you know anything about HTML?
Yeah, sir. We know basic things, sir.
Okay. Yeah. What do you know about HTML? What does HTML do? Why we use HTML?
HTML means hypertext markup language, sir.
Okay.
It stands for links to the other textures.
What? Your voice is breaking actually.
HTML stands for hypertext markup language, sir, and it defines. Means it is a link. It is used to connect with a by using predefined tags. It is used to connect and communicate.
Okay. Do you know about tags in HTML?
Yes, sir.
Tell me some tags.
Title tag, head tag, body tag, p tag, h tag, hr tag, rex, br tags, etc. sir.
Okay. What do you know about HTML element?
HTML is sir. HTML element is everything from start tag to the end tag, sir.
What are HTML attributes? What does HTML attribute do?
Attribute is a h reference. It is properties of a tag which are used to add some additional information on the contents.
Okay. Do you know about tables?
What's
tables?
Tables means the data is in the form of table format by using few tags like tr tag, th tag, table tag.
Okay. Okay. Now, can you see my screen? My screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir. Visible, sir.
Yeah. I'm starting from basics. What does HTML do till end? Okay. Interview will ask what is the version of HTML now, present version. You have to answer that HTML5 is the present version, and HTML. What means HTML? If interviewer asks you what is HTML means, you have to answer. HTML stands for hypertext markup language. It is used to create web pages. Okay. It was web pages. It is used to create web pages, and it was mainly based on tags, and they use it to create user interface.
Okay,
did you get my point?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, what is the structure of HTML means?
Structure, sir.
Structure.
HTML. Firstly, HTML. HTML includes it is in a root tag. It includes child tags like head and title, body and body.
Yeah, your voice is breaking.
HTML is a root tag. It is in a root tag. It contains a parent and child nodes. Then body is a node. In head, the links
Actually,
are going to
your voice is breaking. I didn't listen what did you say. Okay, I will explain you by step. Please listen. Okay, what is HTML means? You know, right? HTML means
yes.
hypertext markup language. Now present version is HTML5, and it will use it for creating web pages, and it is used for user interface, creating a user interface, right? And next, what is the structure of HTML? HTML will start with HTML tag and closed with closed HTML tag. In HTML, we write head and then title in and after title, and we close head tag. The title is present in head tag, and then after body and the body and we close the body. This is the structure of HTML. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And this was the structure of HTML. And then what are the tags or tags in HTML? HTML was based on tags basically, and I will say some tags here. Did you see this point H1?
Yes, sir.
On my screen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
This is one of the tags. H1 means heading tag. Actually, the tags present in heading tags are H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These 6 tags are present, and these are heading tags. We can write heading tags by using these tags. That is H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. And one more example, paragraph tag. And some more examples, image tag, and then HTML. In HTML5, some more new tags are added. There are video tags. We can play video directly by using video tag, and all these are called tags. Okay. If interviewer asks what are tags in HTML, means you say this example: heading tags, paragraph tags, image tags, and video tags, table tags, and all these are tags. And HTML is based on tags only. And then interviewer asked what is heading tags in HTML. Did you get the point? HTML tag, HTML heading, H1 to H6.
Yes, sir.
What next one? If one page is there, we have to go to another page. What we do? We use links.
Link.
What is the tag used? Means it was anchor tag. Anchor tag used for anchor tag is used for defining links. We use the anchor tag.
Yes, sir.
Anchor tag as a link goes from one page to another page. This was this like we can write anchor tag. Interviewer asks how we write anchor tag. This like open anchor tag and href equal to some website name and close anchor tag. This is the example for anchor tag. Okay. I will take mock interview on HTML also. After 10 minutes, I will take mock interview also. What are HTML elements? What are HTML elements means? HTML, first we write open tag and then we write closed tag. In between some content is there in any tag, that is called HTML element. Do you understand the definition? Open
Yes.
tag, closed tag, in between open tag and closed tag, we write some content. Those tags are called HTML elements. Those are called HTML
sir.
elements. H1
Okay, sir.
means heading tag. We write some heading there and we close that. In between there is some content is there. Those are called elements.
Okay, sir.
And coming to attributes, what are attributes? Attributes means which changes the behavior of an element. Attribute means which changes the behavior of an element is called attribute. Here, see, we discussed about anchor tag previously. Anchor tag will do what does the anchor tag do? It will do one page. It will send one page to another page. In a website, there are so many pages. One page to another page was we will transfer by using anchor tag. Here, see. Did you see cursor on screen?
Yes, sir.
Here, see. Anchor tag. Anchor tag. You learned the anchor tag in previous step. Here, href means it was an attribute. It was an attribute. It was changing the behavior of an anchor tag. Here we are inserting in open tag, we are inserting h reference and we are writing this website. This means in anchor tag it was changing the behavior of an element so that it was an attribute. In image tag src, we will actually it was we take a static website. For example, we have to build a static website by our system. We take source image from our system. It was like located on a desktop or something else. We have to give a link to display an image on screen. Means we use src. Here it is an attribute. Actually, it was an image tag, and the src was changing the behavior of an image tag so that it was called attribute. Did you get the elements and attributes?
Yes, sir.
You know about heading tags h1 to h6.
Yes.
And paragraph. What does paragraph do? Means if it was represented by p tag, in p tag we write all those what the definition we want and they close the p. It means a paragraph. Okay. Did you get the point? What does paragraph mean?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. In paragraph, we have to see. I will share with the example. Yeah, this was paragraph. This was paragraph, and I have to break. I have to give break. This in after a. This is a paragraph is visible in my screen, and now I am giving break here. See, by using which tag?
Break tag, sir.
Br tag. Here, see, the line was separated. Br means break. If interviewer asks which tag does not have closed tag, you have to say break tag. Break tag that does not have any closed tag.
Yes.
Then the main questions the interviewer asks is what are HTML elements, what are HTML attributes. These are the main questions. And what is the anchor tag and what does the anchor tag does? These are the main questions asked by the interviewer. I faced so many interview questions. They asked main. In my resume I put C, JavaScript, HTML, CSS, Angular, React, Java, all these types of technologies. when I go to HTML interview before 2 years, I think so. The interviewer asked the major questions was HTML elements, HTML attributes, what does the anchor tag do, and what is the difference between HTML and previous version HTML4 and HTML5? What are the tags included in HTML5 rather than HTML4? These are the questions asked by the interviewer. At that time, I don't know about all these questions. I just faced the interview.
Okay.
Styles, HTML styles. HTML style is used to add styles to an element, like color, font size, all these things.
Okay.
Style, we can use colors, fonts, all these types by using HTML styles. You have to learn these things. Body style equal to background color powder. This like you have to learn these things. And the interviewer asked these like questions. Can you write how to add background color? Like that he will ask. And also write an anchor tag. I have to go from this side to another side. Write an anchor tag with example. Like these questions they will ask. Prepare for that. Okay, then I will share one file. Can you see this file? HTML what? First question.
Yes, sir.
See, what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. I said no, those points in starting. You say that points. It's enough. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is used to create web pages, and they use it to display pages on webs like that. Now, what are tags in HTML? HTML composed of 3 tags: open tags, content tags, and ending tags. Some are unclosed tags. Like that, you have to answer. Are you listening? Are you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you getting the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. When a web browser reads an HTML, the browser see this question. See. Do all HTML tags have an end tag? Actually, most of the tags having end tags also. Some are exception like BR tag, image tag. They didn't have any closed tags. BR tag and image tag. Okay.
Okay, sir.
See, if you have that in Word, in Microsoft Word document, we can see some letter formattings like text, italic, like that. Like that, we can see there now. Roman, Times of Roman. We can write those by using HTML formatting. HTML tags like B tag will bold, I. Are you getting like this? We can give these implements. If you write this B tag and write HTML like this, it will show the contents like bold. Did you get the point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes. we can write the, like in this way. And they will ask about forms, HTML forms. I will show you later. And then fifth question I already explained to you. How many types of headings does HTML contain? 1 to 6. And then how does HTML hyperlinks was created? How many types? There are unvisited link, visited link, active link. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Which HTML? Here see a table. In table tags, table for table row, table head, table data, and caption, column groups, column, table head, table body, and table footer. All these are the tags present in table. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If you have any doubts, please ask in between. If you are not able to understand, actually this was my second class. If there are any doubts, please answer. If my explanation is not up to mark, can you please raise the questions in between?
No, sir. No.
Are you understanding what I'm saying, or any disturbance was there in between?
Yes, sir. I'm getting.
What are some column lists are used to design a page? Actually, there are three lists: order list, unordered list, and definition list. Order list means like one, it was represented by tag OL. We will in this tag we can get the titles by in order, like 1, 2, 3 column numbers, or Roman numbers 1, 2, 3, like that we get the point. And unordered list means some star symbols, some dots, and all these represented by unordered tags, and the tag was UL tag. And definition tags means used for description list. DL, DT, and DD tags are used for the definition list. Interviewer may ask you how many lists are there? How many lists are there in HTML? You have to answer there are three types of lists: order list, unordered list, and definition list. And order list is defined by OL tag, and unordered list by UL, definition list by DL, DT, and DD. And what is the difference between HTML elements and HTML tags? HTML elements communicate a browser to render text. When elements are enclosed by brackets. Okay.
Okay, sir. Render text. Render text.
And all these questions will not ask mainly questions. Are you fresher?
Yes, sir.
See here, 19th question.
Okay.
19th question.
Okay, sir.
HTML layout. They will ask about HTML layout. You have to answer. You assume that any website, like we will see home or details or in upper border, and we can see footer in downside. Footer means address, all things like this, and copyright. Do you see that things in any website?
Yes, sir.
In upper side, we see home, like that buttons. Home like that buttons, and footer we can see the copyright like that symbols. Here see, these are the layout tags. Header and navigation we can use by link tags, and section, articles, aside, footer. All these tags used in the forming the layout. Footer is used to I said no before, copyright. All these things are placed on footer. Articles means we can write articles like independent and self-contained articles. Section means we can divide the whole page into two parts, 2 or 3 parts. We can divide more than 2 parts also we can divide by using section. And navigation means we can move from one page to another page. It will help. All is about the HTML layout. They will ask you to explain HTML layout. You have to say all these tags and what does these tags do. Okay. Did you
Okay,
get
sir.
that as explained in brief?
Sir, can you please explain article attributes, sir? Article and section attribute.
Article and
Section.
section means for example,